2017, 700 deaths. I mean, that speaks volumes. And bringing everybody together in the same room that are all working together, again, for a common purpose. What I saw today is a very successful program in the state of Colorado that I think leads the entire country in terms of a consortium that is interdisciplinary, and I think that is so important. People that have different parts of the solution are all together for a common purpose in trying to reduce opioid addiction and opioid deaths.
I'm going to show you how to be equipped to save a life with naloxone. Intranasal spray can be administered, with minimal training.
So simple, a member of Congress can do it.
We have an antidote that works, virtually 100% effective, nearly, almost 100% harmless.
It is amazing to be briefed on the efficacy of it. It was great to see the demonstration today and be a part of it.